Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let me go back to the general list of the settings, and if you're at the top you have to scroll and find this system section with this gear icon, so let's tap on it. Then let's tap on the first option, so language and region, and then tap on system languages. Here we have to tap on add a language, and as you can see we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply scroll and find the language. I will pick Greek, so let me tap on it, then choose the region, and as you can see my new language, so Greek language, has been immediately applied to this first list with all languages applied, let's say. However, the English is still a main one in my case. So all we have to do is to tap on the language we would like to use and hold it, and then drag it to the very first position and release the finger. And now, finally, your device will ask you if you want to change the system language. So just tap on change, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Again, tap on change, and we've got English set. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Then let's mark the language which we wish to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.